Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Lot of iPhone users are reporting that after updating their iPhone, share focus status gray out. Here I will share you the solution to get rid of this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, first of all, open settings app on your iPhone. On the settings menu, click on Wi-Fi. Make sure that your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi. After that, go to back menu and click on your iCloud. Here you have to sign in your Apple ID. After entering the Apple ID and password, click on next button at the top right corner of the page. Two-factor authentication, a message with the verification code has been sent to your phone number. Please enter the code to continue. 152698. After signing in the iCloud account, go back to settings menu, scroll down and click on focus. So guys, as you can see, share across devices is working now. Do like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching the video.